In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $20 or more with SproutGig, formerly known as Picoworkers. Welcome back to this channel, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. It's very important. So subscribe and turn on all bell notification and give this video a like in a way of encouraging this video and encouraging me as well to create content like this for you. In my last video, I talked about SproutGig, how you can get started, the amazingness with this platform, various diverse ways you can earn money, and the new offers they have brought to the table. So if you haven't watched that video, you have to watch that video after watching this very video so that you won't be confused down here, because I know some of us are already confused. So watch that video so that you can understand the basics of this platform, how this platform works, how to get started, how to sign up. So at first, you want to make sure you are logged into your SproutGig account or Picoworkers, anyone you wish to call it, and make sure you have switched to employer. Okay, in a way that you are switching from a worker to an employer. Your profile has been switched to an employer. Okay, now there are places you can get this gig. My preferable place is Fiverr. So if you have not created an account with Fiverr, go ahead and create an account with them right now. Okay, so you can create an account with Upwork, Kworks, and People Per Hour. They are other freelancing platform which companies and brands goes for, and you can position yourself in this platform and you can get people, get brands and companies to reach out to you to promote their brands. Now I'm just going to give an example. Okay, let's say I'm looking for Instagram followers. Let's search for Instagram followers, Instagram promotion, Instagram organic growth, Instagram social media manager. Okay, let's say Instagram followers. Let's just Instagram followers. Don't think it's here. Okay, buy Instagram followers. Let me also for Instagram followers. I'm going to search for Instagram followers and I'm going to come down here. As you can see, 1/48 results or 48 searches. Now these are people doing Instagram promotion on Fiverr. This is charging $20. As you can see, this first guy is charging $20 and he has done over 30 jobs. This other one is charging over $15 and he has done over 54 jobs. And this guy is charging over $80 and he has dropped 30 jobs. This one is charging over $30 and he has done 88 jobs. And this one is charging $25 and he has done 899 jobs. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Imagine. And this one is charging $75 and he has done over 58 jobs. Okay, so let's click on this so that we just view something out. Now if you click on this right now, you're going to see how we grow your Instagram organically and gain followers. Okay, he's a level 1 seller and he has 5-star rating and he have 58 orders done and he already have 9 orders in queue. 9 orders, that means 9 people are already waiting in queue to order his service. All right, understand? And he has done 58 work. Okay, and if you come over to where he's joined this platform, he joined this platform last year December. Let's say he's just 1 year on this platform and he has done over 58 jobs. 58 jobs. Now let's assume he charged, now this is standard $100, this is $200. Let's assume he charge $100 on average. Okay, because companies are going to choose for premium. They're not going to go to standard and basically they're going to go for premium. Let's assume he charge $100 on an average. $100 times 58, that is okay, let's say $100 times 50, that is how much? $100 times 10, that is $1,000. $100 times 50, that is $5,000. That means this person has made over $5,000 in the past 1 year doing just these jobs, and this is just 1 gig. He have several gig or several jobs he's offering. Now this is what he does. He have 9 people on queue, and right now let's go for basic. Basic save up to 5% with subscriber and save. Now spark followers and growth for 7 days. For 7 days, that means he will finish this task within 21 days delivery. As you can see, 21 days delivering, 1 platform, 300 people, engagement with prospects. Now he said engagement with potential customers, location based followers. Okay, as you can see, this is about this gig. Grow your Instagram organically today with the best service available on Fiverr. Service you for business and personal brand. We organically run your account. We grow and run your account organically and manually based on the new update on Instagram algorithm. Grow your account and get exclusive audience. Okay, what you will get, read and targeted audience, and you can get this targeted audience through SproutGig, or whereby you choose specific location. Okay, more user engagement, competitor and hashtag and wherever. Okay, my organic growth strategy, full automate. These are just words to use. These are sweet words to use to encourage your your clients so that they can hire you. Okay, so I help business boost their visibility on Instagram. This guy is based on Instagram and he's from Albania, and he has 1 day delivering. Okay, so this is a huge market, guys. This is huge market, and this guy, his standard is $100. $100 is within 30 days delivery. $100, and premium is within $200, and it will give you 1,000 plus people. The first thing you are going to do right now is to create an account on Fiverr, optimize your bio, make sure you optimize your bio, and come over to one of these sellers and make sure you model what you are doing. I don't encourage copy. Don't copy anybody. Don't copy. Model what they are doing. Model everything they are doing. Make sure your own is even better, and give better discounts. This guy is charging for $100 per 500 people. You can charge $50 or $40 per 500 people. Understand? And you are giving the same service and you are charging lower cost. Then you will attract more clients or more customers to yourself. Now, let's say you are giving this job for $50 for 500 people. What I'm going to do is that once you get any clients or companies reach out to you to hire you for a job, just take the job. Very simple. Now you have created your account with Fiverr. You have optimized your account with Fiverr. You have already optimized your bio. Everything is already in place, and you have posted your gig. And company or a brand reach out to you to grow their account to 500, and maybe you are charging $550 per 500 people. Now, once you get this gig, this is what I'm going to do right now. You are going to head over to SproutGig right here. Okay, now you have your account. The next thing you are going to do right now is to deposit funds. So you can deposit funds through credit card, through paper, okay, or through Scree, cryptocurrency, ATM, and other methods. These are tutorial on how to do this, okay. But anyone you are using is okay for you. If you're having issues with depositing funds, you can let me know. I can do a video on this and also show you guys how you can do this. So just fill in your details, make sure everything is intact, then you deposit funds. So I don't have any amount here, but it's a tutorial purpose. You just come over to this hamburger icon, then you come over to micro jobs, and you come over to post jobs. So once you come over to post job, you are going to post a job right here. First of all, you are going to choose a location. Okay, let's assume the person who wants the Instagram followers, they want the followers to be from Europe, or they want it to be Africa-based people, or they want to be Nigeria-based people, or Asia, or all over the world. Then you choose international. If it's Asia-based, you choose Asia. And they are going to ask you from countries, like which countries you want. That's the best way of this platform. Let's say the influencer is from Asia and they need targeted audience from Asia countries like India. Just click on Asia and you're going to choose from the country in Asia. You can choose to select all countries if you wish, okay, or you can, maybe it's from only China and Indian people, okay. Maybe the brands only need, maybe the companies and brands only need audience from China and India. You're going to click on China and India. So what next? You are going to click on apply and go to next. So they are going to ask you to select the job category. First of all, if it's sign up, you select sign up. If it's SEO and content search, you select it. But what you are going for is not even TikTok. It's not even Facebook brand influencer or micro influencer. You are going for Instagram micro influencer. Okay. So you click on Instagram micro influencer and you scroll down. You click on follow, because what you are looking for is followers. That's the job you are going for. Then you click on apply and go to next. So once you are here, you're going to enter your job title. Okay, I'm just going to say Instagram follow. Instagram followers. Just put it that way. Now you are going to enter the specific task you need them to enter. So you can easily click on this icon so that you can understand what they are talking about. Now, important, workers must be able to finish any task in a short period of time. Your job will be declined if you ask for tasks which take an excessive amount of time to complete or violate our terms and conditions. So you don't want to go against that. So before you go ahead and ask what you're going to ask, you have to read this. Now, what specific tasks need to be completed? Just simple. Just include what you want them to do. Follow the instructed Instagram page. Then you can put the name of the Instagram page down here if you want to. Just put the name there if you want to. If you want to put the name there, just put the name there. Maybe the step 2, you want them to like the first post on the Instagram page, or you want them to engage with the first post. You can just put it there. Engage with the first post you see. Okay, then you can add steps, but we don't want to add more steps to them. Now variable values, man's 1000 lines. This is a optional though, optional step. If only required if job contain variables. Our job does. I don't think our job contain variables. Okay, so we are going to leave all these ones. We're going to leave all these ones. Then we're going to come. Then we are going to copy and paste the link here. The Instagram handle. We are going to just copy it and paste it down here. Let's just put it. Let's just copy the link and paste it here. Okay. Then additional notes. Maybe this way you want them. Just give them some warning. Like if you want to follow and unfollow this page, don't follow. If you unfollow and you are being caught, people can behave funny, you understand? So just strengthen them. Tell them if you want to unfollow, or if you want to follow this, if you want to unfollow this page, you will be restricted, or you will be banned, or you will be withdrawn, or you will be withheld, or something like that. Just strengthen them and make sure they don't follow or they don't unfollow the page. Okay, just give them additional words. What you want them to do. Okay, if you want to send the warning, make sure you send the warning here, and here you can tell them the proof you want them to provide. Maybe their username, then select proof 1, test proof. It can be a test proof or it can be a screenshot proof. Then the proof 2 must be like maybe the screenshot of the page they followed, or the screenshot of the page you followed. Let me put it that way. I'm talking to them. You followed. Then this proof can be a screenshot proof. Okay, then maybe you can put a proof 3, proof 4, but we just need to proof 2 proof. One of the best features about SproutGig or Picoworkers is this auto validate. Okay, in Word Daily you have to validate this task yourself in a way that you have to go and check them. Like if you are hiring 1000 people to do your work, you have to go and be checking them one by one. But with this Picoworkers, you can easily auto validate in a way that they will just tell them what they want you to do. Okay, as you can see right here, let's just click here. You see you can, okay, as you can see, say you can have up to 3 proofs with predefined answers, and the system will automatically check the answers the worker provide to validate if the worker has done the task correctly. Make sure the answer is clear, obviously, and easy to input correctly. You can also redefine if the system should rate the task or not. Okay, satisfied if you want to block the workers from future jobs you post. Questions, example questions: what is the username of the post you are voting? Okay, answers, example. Now questions: what is the number that appears at? Understand, these are questions, so you can just easily just auto validate your jobs in the way that SproutGig by themselves validate your job for you. You don't have to be going over. Maybe you're hiring 1000 micro workers to work for you. Maybe you're hiring 1000 workers to work for you. You can't be checking them one by one. They can easily do this for you. That's the best option they have. Word Daily does not have this, but they have this. Okay, you can select your auto validation, rate task not satisfied, and block workers. That means if the task is not satisfied, or maybe they provided the wrong details, you can rate task not satisfied, or you can choose to block workers if you want to. But I don't want to block workers, I just rate task satisfied. Then you can include your questions, the name of the page. Okay, then you can put the answer here. This is the answer. So they provide this answer, they are good to go. Okay, question 2. You can put question 2, how many followers you met. Then you provide the answer there and you apply to go to next. So once you apply to go to next, okay, let's just put like let's put something here. So once you apply to go to next, then you are going to classify your jobs. Okay, find the level of your job. Now define the level of workers that will complete the task for you. Task cost 25% more for advanced level and 50% more for expert level. Now you want to just choose starter, because advanced and starter, advanced in a way that the job will be completed faster by the advanced, because there are some advanced workers in this platform. If you are getting started as the first, so if you are getting started for the first time, you are going to be on the starter level. So as long as you are working with the platform, you'll be upgraded to advanced and expert. That way you can perform higher tasks that pays well. Okay, these are people who are already on the platform for a long period, who have done many jobs and they are good. Okay, So just leave it as starter so that you won't spend more. Then the speed, you have to click on this speed. You have to click on this very icon so that you can understand everything they are saying. Now from 1 to 1000, 1 is slow and 1000 is fast. So the speed you want your job to be completed, you can input it here so that your job can be completed as fast as possible. I just leave my speed at, let me say 500 or so. 500. Maybe this depends. This depends on the amount period the clients or the company wants you to finish your work. Okay, the workers needed is 500. Just put 500 here. Okay, then now how much this worker will earn? Now let's say they are earning every one of them are earning like 10 cents. 10 cents is quite low. Let's leave it at 20 cents. Okay, then the short required is 1, and the hold job time is 5 minutes. Workers can hold the job for a few minutes. And this hold job time, maybe if you want the workers to hold the job, maybe the job won't take time. This kind of job is just a very simple job of which you don't even need any workers to hold it. As you can see, say workers can hold the job for a few minutes to guarantee if they are able to submit the task. So we don't need it. Just put 2 minutes here. 2 minutes is okay. Okay. Pause can pay for approval. So this pause can pay for approval. This way you can easily pause can pay if you want after approval, or you can just leave it in a way that after approval the campaign will start running. Or you can easily pause it after approval. You can choose to resume the campaign anytime you want, but you want to just leave this campaign. We don't want to pause it. So after the campaign is being started, everything will start running immediately. So we don't want to click on pause campaign because we want our campaign to start immediately they approve the task. And this is the estimated job cost, $11. $11. Okay. The reason they are showing not enough funds to run this job is that I don't have any money on my account. I've not deposited any money, so I can choose to deposit money right now and run this task. Now I'm giving this job out for micro influencers for $11, and I am charging the clients or company $50. Now I have $40. I have almost about $40 left for myself as a profit, and this is huge. These are what people are doing. Okay, these are what these guys are doing. These people on Fiverr. So these are what influencers are doing. Okay, they come here, they hire micro workers to work for them, and they use Fiverr to get their gigs or get companies and clients coming to them. So you can easily do this. If you are able to optimize your bio very well on Fiverr, you can get clients coming down to you, and you can hire micro influencers to work for you. I believe this. You can easily use this medium to increase the amount earned by workers. Let's increase it from 20 cents to let's say 40 cents, so that the jobs can run faster. Okay, so if we increase it, this amount is going to dump up to $22, and you can easily have like almost $30 for yourself. So you can easily earn quick cash by being a micro influencers with this platform. So if I have any money right here right now, I would just go to list job, and the job is going to be listed. As you can see right here, it's going to be listed. Now we also await approval. So once they approve the job is going to be posted. Then my campaign will start running. So this is how you can earn $20 and above to $50 as an influencer with SproutGig. Now you can still be working as a micro worker performing tasks, and the same way you can easily be employing people to work for you, and you can easily be posting your gig or posting your skill set down here and having people to hire you for their job. You can use this as a full-time hustle or a full-time income, and it can pay you very well if you are serious about this. Now you can easily switch, and one of the best features is that you can easily switch from a player to worker anytime you want, and they are good to go. So I believe this video was helpful to you. I believe you found value from this video. Like this video so that you can encourage this video, so that you can encourage me also to post more videos like this for you to help you make more money online. Hit on that subscribe button right now, and make sure you turn on bell notification so YouTube will notify you anytime I post valuable content like this to help you make more money. So if you have any questions, if you have any challenges, drop into the comment section. I will reply to them almost immediately. Okay, thanks for watching this video. So I will see you again in my next video. Bye for now.